If you're a small business owner or just someone trying to stay organized, the right note-taking app can save you hours each week. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing two of the most powerful tools out there, Notion and Obsidian, to help you find the best fit. And let's start talking about ease of use. Notion has a clean drag and drop interface that's super beginner friendly. Users on G2 love how easy it is to build to-do lists, wikis, and dashboards. But some reviews on Trustpilot mention it can get sluggish with too much content. So if you are running multiple wikis, databases, and like pages, to-do lists, and stuff like that, it can get a bit slow. Obsidian is more technical. It's markdown based and not as visual. But once you get past the learning curve, it's lightning fast and extremely powerful. Reviewers on Capterra highlight how the graph view helps visualize connections between notes like a second brain. Now let's talk features and customization. Notion is great for all-in-one use notes, databases, project boards, and you name it. You can have multiple views on many project types. But some G2 users say it tries to do too much and can feel overwhelming, especially for new users. Obsidian is built for customization with community plugins. You can tailor it exactly how you want. It's ideal for deep thinkers, writers, researchers, developers, persons who need a personal knowledge system. On pricing, Notion has a solid free tier, and in my opinion, it's enough for most users. However, it does have a paid plan starting at $8 per user. Obsidian is free for personal use, and even commercial license are one-time payment. That's a big plus for solo professionals. Lastly, for integration. Notion connects with tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and Zapier. It's built for teams. Obsidian is more private and offline first, but with plugins, you can still sync with Readwise or GitHub. So, which one should you choose? Go with Notion if you need a collaborative, visual workspace for planning and team projects. And choose Obsidian if you're focused on personal knowledge, speed, and custom workflows. Drop your favorite in the comments down below. And if this sounds helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more no-fluff tech breakdowns. See you all in the next one.